Hi guys, so I will continue what I'm doing yesterday. I didn't finish it, so what do you think about this? I have no idea if I write really the proper Chinese words I wrote down there. So I was thinking if I put some strings or I just leave it as a paint. So before I gonna do that, I'm gonna ask some people somewhere in other platform. Okay, hope you will watch. It's coming Valentine's Day, by the way. So this is for the people who was in love, who's going to be in love, whatsoever. But the next time, if you see my wall, this is my next project. But maybe tomorrow or other day, I will gonna make that heart shape with some romantic couple over there. This is my first string arts for 2 years ago, but I didn't have time to make a video because I need to concentrate, and you know, it's not really easy to make a video by itself. So okay guys, what do you think about this? So if not, I just gonna finish all the color in here, so probably I just leave it like this. So I'm going to find some comments somewhere in Facebook, so I will know what I'm going to do about it. So keep watching and subscribing on my channel. So I was putting my camera somewhere out there. I looks a little bit double, but doesn't matter. Anyway, I'm healthy. So guys, hope you like this, and stay tuned and subscribe. So these are my colors, by the way. This is all my colors. Hope you can see. So I cannot find my other brushes. This is quite long. Anyway, I have a lot in there. My place is a mess. So I just gonna continue with this probably. Okay, so stand by and keep watching until the end. Ciao.